Hey, welcome back everyone. It is time for another red hot covered call video. Well, hey, look, I'm out getting my grind on. Putting in 2 miles before we start our day here in the great city of Bend. I'm up here visiting my boy. Absolutely love it. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. It's a Friday. Being retired, I can do these things. Today we're going to talk about the cash secure put and how I'm using it in my IRA to generate close to $10,000 a month. Now, you absolutely have to understand what the cash secure put is. So we're going to talk about that real quick. But what you're seeing here right now is a walking video. We're going to do more of these. For a lot of you, you know that I get behind the mic this year because I'm doing more videos in front of the mic or in front of the camera. We're going to do some walking videos because I just want to talk to you about seeing the world through my eyes. Okay? And today, and by the way, if you want to make fun of my hair, just know that it's bang. Mark and Bill, baby. How you doing? How you doing, guys? Yeah. Hey, Mark, man. Step your game up. I don't see you on Facebook as much as I did. Come on. And by the way, yes, if you go to Facebook, follow the Real CPT dashboard. And hey, look, if you're over there, you want to see my personal life journey, motivation, inspiration, like me on Facebook, John Greathouse. So let's talk about this. We're going to talk about the cash secure put. So here's the deal. The cash secure put, quite frankly, is this. You're telling the greater stock market, look, I got cash, I want to buy your shares, I pick the strike price, I pick the time frame for which I give you to assign me your shares. Okay? You pay me a per share premium because I'm putting my money up. Right? I can't touch that money. So it's going to sit there until you decide to stick me with your shares. Now, the way this works is, generally, nobody sticks you with the shares unless it's below the strike price for which I selected, right? I selected it. Well, again, it's insurance for them, so they could stick me with their shares at any point at the price I picked. So that's the cash secure put. Generally, if the stock stays above my strike price, then I'll never be assigned the shares. If the stock falls below the strike price, I'm in danger of having those shares assigned to me, so I best want to own the stock. Okay? So we're using the cash secure put in my IRA. And oh, by the way, if you like this walking video and my banging hair, bang that like button. Jacks me up. Oh boy, I know a lot of you are like, who is this guy? So this is what I did. We got access to my 401k money. It's in an IRA. I can trade options. Of course, you know I'm going to sell premium. That's what I do. Generate income. First trade. Notice that the Dow wasn't performing as it should. So I decided to do an out-of-the-money cash secure put with UDOW. Trading about 60x. Picked a 56 strike. That's where the first line of support was. Hasn't traded near that in a long time. Felt very comfortable with that. And right now, we're about 2 weeks in, and sure enough, UDOW's not really testing it. You know, the Fed came out, said some great things. So I think at this point, the market trades sideways to higher. If you ask me, there's more risk not being in this stock market versus being in it. You get that mindset? Then I followed that up with a UPRO trade. Now, yes, I'm using leveraged ETFs, and maybe you don't want to. Do your due diligence. They are not for the faint of heart, weak of stomach. These things move 3x to the indexes. But see, I play them because they are the indexes. I play UPRO because it's a 3x leveraged ETF to the S&P 500. The S&P 500 moves up 1%. It moves up 3%. And the inverse. I don't worry about how it moves. I'm following the indexes. So with that said, the follow-up trade, and by the way, that first UDOW trade put $4,800 in cash flow into my IRA. The follow-up trade was a smaller one. I picked the at-the-money strike on UPRO. I wanted to own the shares, wasn't quite sure, wanted to be paid up front. So we used the cash secure put on UDOW, hoping I'm not assigned the shares because I picked the strike price $4 lower. But if I'm assigned the shares, that's okay. I'll write a covered call. I feel that $4 cushion down, plus the premium I got gives me great downside protection, considering I think the Dow would be trading near its recent support line. See my thinking there? Now with UPRO it's different. I feel like I wanted to own UPRO shares. So when UPRO was trading about 39x, I decided to put in an at the money cash secure put instead of buying the shares. Now had I bought the shares, wrote a 30-day call, they'd have paid me $3. That'd have been decent. And we're doing 10 contracts. It'd been $3 grand. Instead I decided to get paid up front. Use the cash of a cash secure put. Use the cash to write a cash secure put. I ended up picking up $250 for that, I believe. So I picked up about $2,500. But I only took a half bite. See, I did 20 contracts on UDOW. I did 10 contracts on UPRO. Because if the stock were to fall, I'm okay with it. I'm okay with that cash secure put. And if I'm assigned the shares of UPRO at 39, I'm okay. I think the downside is 35. I can deal with that. Well, today I want to put the other 10 contracts to work. See, I've set aside enough money for another 10 contracts. And that's what I did this morning before I took my jog. So we'll see if it takes. I'm trying to get a 38 cash secure put for $250. That'd pocket me another $2,500. That trade would be $5,000 for the month of February. Now, like I said, this is how I'm going to use my IRA. We're going to start off with cash secure puts generally, so I can get the upfront money. And then if I'm assigned the shares, we then write a covered call on those shares. But we're going to manage those trades. Okay? So if you're out there trying to generate cash flow and you like what you're seeing today, one, I want you to subscribe to the channel. Always love seeing people subscribe to the channel. I don't make anything on YouTube, man. I think I got a $60 check last week. But I want you to bang the like button. Bang that like button. God, I love saying that. I've been saying that for over 6 years here on YouTube. We're going to do more of these walking videos because I just want to share my thoughts, okay? But more importantly, what you're going to hear out of me in this coming year, motivation, inspiration, getting your health right. We're going to talk about money. We're going to talk about monthly cash flow and all the things I do to generate the kind of cash flow I need to live in retirement. Because that's right, I'm 55, I am in retirement. I don't go to a 9-to-5 anymore. So the money I have, I need to work to put food on the table, pay the bills. Okay? This is serious to me. So I got much love for all of you that have stuck around, enjoyed my videos, and now I know you're gonna crack on my hair, but I look damn good. Hey, look, next video we're gonna talk about how that trade actually worked out, because right now I have it as a limit order, 38 strike, cash secure put, UPRO. I might jack that up a little bit, maybe take the 38.50, or we'll stick with that 38 strike and we'll try to get $2 for it. Okay, we're gonna move that. And by the way, before I let you go, always do limit orders. Okay, limit orders. The reason for that is all of the option bid and ask are not real time. They're all stale. Right? Always put in a limit order for the ask, the highest price. And then when it refreshes, you'll see the real prices. Then you can put in a limit order on the mid. Okay? That's what I'm doing right now for UPRO. Always try to get the max amount of money for the money you're investing. Hey, look, until next time, be safe, be healthy, most important, be lucky, and may all your covered calls be profitable.